During a high-level meeting between President Irfan Ali, cabinet members, as well as President of the Federative Republic of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, and his delegation held at the Arthur Chang Conference Center on Friday, the country signed two treaties which targeted a number of areas including food and energy security, infrastructure integration, national security and defense, and the expansion of the country's trade arrangements and opportunities. The first treaty on international legal cooperation in civil matters was signed by Foreign Affairs Minister Hugh Todd and a representative from Brazil's Ministry of Justice and Public Security. It stipulated that both parties have legally consented to provide full legal cooperation, which entails civil, corporate labor, and administrative law, as well as criminal sentences, which seek compensation for damages in the civil court. The agreement, according to President Irfan Ali, who offered brief remarks after the signing ceremony, will enhance the country's strong cooperation on several projects, including the establishment of a deep water port in Guyana with a future road corridor, which will aid in developing trade between the two nations.
Fiber optic connectivity, energy corridor, development of an energy corridor, the creation of a free zone, and the linkage of natural resource development to this project. So we're not only talking about a deep water port in isolation of these things. It is now one integrated project that we are looking at, and we have agreed to establish a team that will comprise of investors, the federal government of Brazil, the government of Guyana, the state of Roraima.
The second treaty on mutual legal assistance in criminal matters outlines that the countries shall provide mutual assistance in connection with investigations or prosecution of criminal offenses, among other things. In the energy sector, the heads of state discussed working together on creating a natural gas strategy, the potential of hydro, renewable energy, and energy production as a whole. The two presidents also engaged in dialogue regarding security of the porous borders which a country share and have agreed on exploring the possibility of negotiating projects related to the use of remote sensing images as a tool to combat potential crimes such as drug trafficking, human trafficking, and illegal mining between the two territories.
On security and defense, we discuss areas of hardware, software technology, and human resource capacity building and strengthening. So we will be working out and coordinating efforts in these three areas in terms of security and defense.
President Jair Bolsonaro, through his interpreter, noted that Guyana has a promising future and that his country is happy for the collaborative efforts. Timeka Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.